Hey Amber, good morning. Sorry I'm not there today. I didn't want to leave you hanging about that tie, so I'm going to give you a little tutorial from home. And hey, check it out. I got my gift right here on my desk. Ringo's here too. But anyways, how to tie a tie, Mr. Poley style. So first you want to flip your collar up because your tie is going to go under your collar, so just a good way to start is with the collar up. Next, I'm going to take this tie, Thrifty Shopper, 99 cents. I'm going to put the big side over my right shoulder, even though it looks like your left. Maybe it doesn't. I'm not sure how it's going to come out over there. But little side on my left shoulder. And big side should be quite a bit longer than the small side, as you can see. Getting this right takes a lot of practice. I rarely tie a tie perfectly the first time, and it's because with different ties the length is a little different, so it can throw it off. Just kind of eyeball it, and I mean you can see how far down the little side goes. Well, maybe a few buttons down is a good way to start. Then you're going to take the big end, put it over the little end, and you're just going to wrap it through right here like this, and pull it through, and then just let it hang down. So hopefully you can see this. It's just like the start of a knot, right? Here's the big end just hanging down. The big end should now be on your left. Let's see. You're going to take the big end here, bring it around the back of the little end, bring it over and into that opening, right? And then you're going to pull it down. So now at this point you should kind of start to see the knot taking place or taking form. Get out of here. Get out of here. So next, I'm going to bring the big end and I'm going to bring it horizontally across like where that knot is started. It's going to kind of wrap back, bring it under and up out of that hole. So now you're kind of like going reverse out of the hole. Then this little opening that you have in front, caused by the horizontal motion of the tie from a minute ago, you want to put the big end through that, pull it all the way down. Hey. And if you pull the small end while holding the knot, that's going to tighten the tie. And it's all about just straightening it. Right? You want to straighten that out. Make sure it looks nice. Bring down your collars for the final touches. Get it over. Hard to do it looking in the camera. I've only ever done it in a mirror. Right? So there you go. Nice tie. And see, mine right now is a little long, although not too long. It's a little long, so I would probably redo this, which is okay though. I'm actually going to grab another tie and do round 2, so maybe you can see it a little better with a different tie. Stay tuned.